So hello everyone, today's video will be on your percentage chapter and I included some of the percentage PYQs from Npsc. So let's solve. Okay, see the first question. See, first three numbers in a series of four numbers are respectively 10%, 20% and 30% more than the fourth number. Okay, so there are four numbers. Okay, first, second, third and fourth. So let me write four numbers. If I write here, just a second. Okay, so if I write first number, second number, third number and fourth number like this. Okay, see, there are four numbers and fourth number is the base. They are saying first three number in a series of the four number are respectively 10%, 20% and 30% more than the fourth number. So we are comparing from the fourth number. Okay, so let's take fourth number as 100. So the comparison will be easy. So if we think the fourth number is 100, just assume the fourth number is 100. So definitely the third number will be 30% more than the fourth number. 30% more. Just a second. 30% more. So the fourth number is third number is 30% more. 30% more means what? It will be 130. If we are comparing from 100, if 30% more, it means 130. But be careful. If it's like 30% only, suppose I am comparing one number is 100 and they are saying second number is 30%. So you have to write only 30. But if they are saying one number is 100 and other number is 30% more, then you have to write 130. So be careful with the more. Okay, chalo. Then second number they are saying it's 20% more, 20% more, 20% more, 20% more than the fourth number, not the third number. Okay, 20% more, it means it will be 120. Okay, first number it's 10%, it means it's 110, 110. Okay, so you got all the numbers, but these are in ratio. We can say these are in ratios. Okay, we can give the ratio sign because these are not the actual number, we just assumed. Okay, that's why we can put in the ratio. So they're asking then the ratio of the first three numbers. So what are the first three numbers? 110, 120 and 130. So 0 0 delete kar do, eliminate kar do. 0 here, 0 eliminated here, 0 eliminated. So your answer is 11 is to 12 is to 13. It's easy one, it's easy. Chalo, next question. Okay, interesting question. Npsc 2016 pre. Which of the following is not 25% of x? तो पहले ना आप लोग ये समझ लो what is 25% of x. 25% means 25 by 100 of x means into x. So it's roughly x by 4 because this will be eliminated. 25 and 100, it will be 1 by 4. So it's x by 4. So we can say that 25% of x means x by 4. So B to it's just exactly same. तो ये तो होगा नहीं answer. Let's check A. They are saying which one is not. Okay. So this means होता है 25 by 100 into x. Same thing. So it will be x by 4 itself. So A B तो नहीं होगा because this is also qualifying. This is also matching or qualifying. Can say C. Number C देख लो. It's 0.2 x. It means I can write 0.2 by 10 into x and decimal will be eliminated. So it's 1 by 5. So it's like x by 5. See, this is not matching with our actual fraction. Okay, actual fraction was x by 4, but this is x by 5. It's not matching. So this will be your right answer. This is not the following fraction which is matching to 25% of x. ये भी हो जाएगा if you calculate the fraction. This will come as a x by 4. Okay, so the answer is number C. Chalo. Okay, it's interesting. 2017 pre Npsc. So the question says the ratio of boys and girls in a class is 5:3. Good, very good. If 40% boys and 33 into 1 by 33.33%, 33.33% na, it's in fraction, you can say 1 by 3. Okay, if you don't know how to make percentage to fraction, just stop the video, pause the video and go to the YouTube, just search percentage to fraction. If I write percentage to fraction, ऐसा होता है 100% means 1 by 1, 50% means 1 by 2, 33 into 1 by 3 percentage means 1 by 3. Okay, that is our question, 33 into 1 by 3 and 33.33, that is same. Then if I say 25%, 25% equals to 1 by 4. If I say 20% equals to 1 by 5. So you should know all of this. 16 into 2 by 3 percentage means 1 by 6. So you should know all the percentage to fraction because that will help you in the questions. Now come to the question. They're saying the ratio of boys and girls in a school, in a class is 5:3. If 40% boys and 33.33% girl know French, then what percentage of total student know French? Okay, चलो देखते हैं ना. Moderate, I can say moderate. So just make the ratio first. Boys and girls. So they are saying boys and girls and the ratio of 5:3. ठीक है ना? So I can calculate 5 and 40%, but to ease of your calculation, I'll think na boys are 50. I'll think boys are 50. Okay, and girls 30. What ratio na? You can multiply anything both the side, you can divide anything both the side. Okay, that is ratio. So I just assume we have 50 boys and 30 girls. Got it? And from there 40% boys know French. So 40%, इसका 40% क्या होगा? 40%, 50, just a second, 50 into 40%, 40 by 100. देखो, I am explaining, that's why I am writing too much. In exam, you don't have to write all of this. Just easily calculate. So it's 5 into 4, that is 20. So 20 boys knows French. Okay. So 20 boys knows French. Na? Okay. Next, we have 30 girls, and from that 30 girls, 1 by 3. Why we are writing 1 by 3? Because 33.1 by 3 means 1 by 3. Okay. So 10. So 10 girls know French. Okay. समझ में आ गया? Now tell me, how many total students were there? Total students. You will say, sir, 80. Why? 50 boys. देखो 50 boys, we just assume 50 boys and 30 girls, so 80 students. Out of 80 students, how many students know French? You will say, sir, students know French na? It's 30. How? देखो 20 boys and 10 girls, 30. So 30 student knows French. How to get the percentage now? देखो 30 student know French out of 80 student into 100. This is the formula of getting percentage. Like 30 out of 80, and if you have to compare with 100, that's why we're multiplying with 100. So 0 and 0 gone. This is like your 300 by 8 na? 300 by 8. 300 by 8 means क्या होगा? Okay, 1236. So it will be 37.5. चलो. The answer is 37.5. You can calculate in your calculator. 300 by 8 means 37.5. So your answer is number C. Chalo, number C is the answer. देखो, I was explaining, that's why it becomes so long and it took like 5-6 minutes. But in exam na, if you have थोड़ा सा भी knowledge about percentage, you can solve in just 1 minute. Okay, chalo, next question. Okay, this is profit and loss, but I kept in percentage because it's related to percentage also. Percentage है, that's why. But it's mostly profit and loss. Mostly नहीं, it's मोटा मोटी profit and loss का question है. So I hope you know how to get profit, how to get loss. So I'll just give you a small overview. Okay, देखो. Always remember there are two terms, SP and CP. So SP means selling price and CP means your cost price. Okay, ऐसे समझ लो. And profit means, always remember, profit equals to SP minus CP. Okay, and profit percentage means profit by CP into 100. Remember this. Okay, so these are our motamoti formula. Loss percentage means loss by CP into 100. Now you must be thinking, sir, what is CP, what is SP? Whenever you are solving profit and loss questions, you have to think yourself as a shopkeeper or as a businessman. If I am a businessman, suppose I am buying a chair from a wholesale market at the price of 100 rupees and I kept in my shop, and somebody came and I sold that chair to someone at 120 rupees. So I bought from somewhere, that's why it's my cost price, and I'm selling to someone, that's why it's my selling price, it's SP. So as a businessman, I have CP, I have SP. CP means mota moti you can assume as an investment, how much money you are investing. SP means at what price you are selling. Okay, समझ में आ गया? चलो, let's solve the question. Suman buys a chair at 400 rupees and spend another 80 rupees to get it painted. So हमारा ना CP क्या हो जाएगा? देखो, CP means cost price. How much money I'm investing? Investment. How much money I'm investing? 400 rupees for buying. Okay. Technically our CP is 400, but I am adding 80 also here. Okay. Why? Because I am spending 80 rupees to get it painted. So investment, my investment will be 480. Yes or no? बोलो. 480. समझ में आ गया? Now then he sells the chair to Vivek at 600 rupees. So his SP or my SP is 600 rupees. Okay. So how much profit I am making? I am making, देखो, I invested 480 and I sold that 600. So profit तो 120 का हो गया रे. देखो, profit is your 600 minus 480. So your profit is 120 rupees का. Got it? Understood? Now how to get the profit percentage, because the question is asking about profit percentage. ठीक है ना? तो profit percentage का formula I have written. Profit percentage means profit by CP into 100. So what is your profit? Profit is yours 120, CP 480 into 100. So this is 4 times, 4 से काटेगा 25. So your answer is 25%. I hope you understood. Again, I'm saying, I'm explaining, that's why the process is going so long. In exam hall, you don't have to write all of these formulas and all. Just do it. Chalo, I know you guys can do it. Okay, chalo. Interesting question. A number n is first multiplied by 12, 12 means 1.2, and then divided by 1.5. What is the overall change percentage in n? बहुत बढ़िया. So you have to think a number. You have to think a number. You can take 1 also, you can take 2 also, you can take 5 also. But if you ask me, I'll take n 50 or 30 or 60 or 45. They must be thinking, sir, why all of this number? Because in the question they are saying that in a number first multiply with 1.2 and divided by 1.5. ठीक है ना? Divided by 1.5. So if I have to divide a number by 1.5, I can take all of these multiples of 1.5 or 15, 15, 30, 60, I can take that. So I'm assuming my n is, chalo let's say 15, ठीक है? 15. ठीक है. So just do the process. A number is first multiplied with 1 by 2, 1.2. So 15 first multiplied with 1.2, and then it divided by 1.5. So 1.5. Now we can withdraw the decimals and decimals. Then it became 12, it became 15. So 15 and 15 gone. Now the answer is 12. So now the n became 12. Okay, see, first the n was 15, now the n became 12. So they are saying what is the overall change in percentage. But in real, what is the change? Not in percentage. Change is first that was 15, now it became 12, so the change is 3. है ना? How to get the percentage? 3 change हुआ है out of 15. From where 15 से 3 change हुआ है ना. The number was 15, but after that 3 reduced. So कहाँ से change हुआ है? 15 से change हुआ है. So 3 by 15 कहाँ गिरे? 3 by 15 into 100. Okay. So 3 से काटेगा 5. 5 divide 100, that is 20. And 20% reduced. Why? It's getting lower. 15 से 12, it's getting lesser. So that's why it's reducing. Acha, all the options are wrong, so the answer will be here 20% decreased. Okay, 20% decrease, it's your answer. Okay, don't judge my handwriting. Okay, it's touchpad, that's why. In board and in paper my handwriting is good. Okay, chalo. Next. Okay, this is profit and loss. Dishonest shopkeeper. I would like to skip this question, okay, because first I have to give you the idea of dishonest shopkeeper questions, then I have to solve. So it will be a long process, then the video will be lengthy, more than 30 minutes. Okay, next question. Again, it's profit and loss, but I will solve this question. Okay, first solve this question, number 7. Easy one. I don't think I have to solve. You guys who are watching can solve this question easily. It's an easy one, but still, chal. I'm writing 25% of 300 plus a percentage of means multiply. Okay, 250 equals to 5% of 2100. So they are asking what is the value of a. So I'll suggest you now just break this one. Don't write 1 by 4. Okay, 25% means 1 by 4 we know, but I won't suggest you to write 1 by 4 because the calculation will be hard then. So just write 25 by 100 into 300. Acha, we can cut the percentage also. Okay, there is a shortcut, but I don't want to teach you that shortcut. It will make you like in hodgepodge, खिचड़ी बन जाएगा. Plus a by 100 into 250 equals to 5 by 100 into 2100. Chalo, so 0 0 0 0 gone. This is 75 plus here 1 0 and 1 0 gone. Here 5 से काटेगा 2, 5 से काटेगा, that is your 5. So 5a by 2. So here 5a by 2 equals to 0 and 0 gone. 5 into 21, that is 105. ठीक है, चलो. So here I can write 5a by 2 equals to 105 minus 75. Why? Because that 75 will be that side, like that. Okay, again 5a by 2 equals to, this is your 30 na, chalo 30. So 5a equals to 60. So a equals to 60 by 5, that is 12. देखो, I am explaining, that's why the steps are long. एग्जाम हॉल में इतना नहीं करना होता है. इफ़ यू हैव गुड कैलकुलेशन स्पीड, ओके, देखते ही पता चल जाएगा, इट विल बी 12. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, नाइस क्वेश्चन. रीड द क्वेश्चन. इन एन एग्जामिनेशन ए स्कोर्ड 20 marks more than B. देयर आर 2 स्टूडेंट्स, A and B. A जो लड़का है ना, A और लड़की, बॉय और गर्ल, that person scored 20 marks more than B in marks, okay, not in percentage. If B has scored 5% less than A, then how much has B scored? इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन बट थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड। देखो जस्ट राइट ए, नीचे में लिखता है ना, just a second, this is A and this is B. See the percentage, 5% less. B has scored 5% less. So suppose A is scoring 100, so B has to score 95. Why? Because B scoring 5% less or 5% less. That's why we wrote 95. Okay, this is in percentage. This is in percentage, remember, or ratio, you can say in ratio. Now tell me the difference between them. Difference. You will say, sir, A scoring 100 and B scoring 95, so the difference definitely is 5. है कि नहीं बताइए हमको. In ratio, difference is 5. But in actual number, what is the difference? In actual number, the difference is 20. Why? A has scored 20 marks more than B. In ratio, how much A has scored more? 5. A has scored 5 ratio more or 5% more. है ना? So we can compare this 5 as a 20. Okay, this is the percentage. Chalo, this is the percentage and this is the percentage. Suppose A has scored 100%, B has scored 95%. So definitely A has scored 5% more than B in percentage, but in number A has scored 20 marks more than B. So that's why 5% is related to 20 marks. 20 marks. Okay? So 5% 20 marks. How many times? It 4 times. They are asking about B's score. B got 95%. So B into 4, it means yours 380. 380 marks. So your answer is 380. ठीक है ना? समझ में आ गया? Yes sir, we have understood. If you didn't understand ना, pause करो, previous में जाओ, थोड़ा सा आगे जाओ, देखो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. You can understand, okay? Okay, I hope you guys can understand हिंदी ना. चलो, हिंदी तो सबको समझ में आता है because of Bollywood. चलो, there are many, some no. Okay, done. Okay, all the questions are done ना. Okay, let me give you the idea of this question. चलो, if Robin can buy 12 chocolate with the money, suppose Robin has some amount of money. Robin had some amount of money and Robin bought 12 chocolates. I don't know how much money Robin had. Okay. Now there is a condition. Then how many candies? Robin already bought 12 chocolate with some amount of money. The condition is then how many candies will he able to buy with the same amount if the candy is 66.66% cheaper than chocolate. So whenever you see this kind of percentage, break into fraction. This is fraction में 2 by 3. Okay, you can break it also. This is roughly is your 66 into 2 by 3. Okay, chalo. So 2 by 3 fraction cheaper than the chocolate. Okay, now assume chocolate price. Assume, okay, chocolate price. Chocolate price was 3 rupees. Assume chocolate price was 3 rupees. Candy price, देखो candy price क्या होगा? They are saying that candy is 2/3 cheaper than the chocolate. 2/3 cheaper than the chocolate. 2/3 cheaper than the chocolate means, देखो, suppose the chocolate was 3 rupee, 2/3 cheaper means 2 by 3. So that is 2 rupee cheaper. Don't write 2 rupee here. Candy price 2 rupee ऐसा नहीं होगा. 2 rupee cheaper than the chocolate. 2 rupee cheaper. It means chocolate price was 3 rupees. So candy price will be 1 rupee. Because they are saying 2/3 cheaper, not 2 rupees. Got it? समझ में आ गया? So candy price is 1 rupee. Now देखो, this is the ratio. Chocolate and candy price. chocolate price is yours 3 rupee and candy price is 1 rupee, because this is all our assumption. Okay, we are just assuming 3 rupee होगा तो उसका price 1 rupee होगा. This is a ratio. Okay, now tell me, if chocolate price is 3 rupee and a person can buy 12 chocolates, so how much money he had? Definitely देखो 3 chocolate and 3 rupees price of a chocolate, and he bought 12 chocolates. So 3 into 12, he spent 36 rupees. 36 rupees. Okay. Now if candy price is 1 rupee, how many candies he can buy? If he had 36 rupees, so he can buy 36 candies, है ना? देखो Robin bought 12 chocolate and one chocolate का price was 3 rupees, so definitely Robin spent 36 rupees. So definitely he had 36 rupees. With that 36 rupees, candies तो 36 आ जाएगा, because one candy price is 1 rupee. ठीक है ना? चलो, I hope you understood this percentage का PIQs. If I get any more PIQs, I'll upload another video of percentage. Okay, percentage PIQ, I'll upload another video, that will be part 2. Okay, chalo, see you in the next video. I hope you understood. And if you want percentage का chapter wise, like chapter wise solution, percentage for NPSC, then let me know in the comment. I'll upload percentage chapter wise question, like this, topic wise.